morning, y'all. Magandang umaga. Napaka-presko ang hangin. Oo nga naman. At saka, papakainin ko lang muna ang manak ko. Ang pangalan ay si Cuca. Cuca po, C-U-C-A. Yun po ang pangalan niya. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hello, Cuca. Would you like some amogus bread? Let me make some amogus bread for you. Hold on. Amogus bread. Ay, hindi yata siya magkaparehas. Yeah, totally amogus, guys. Guys, watch out. Can you see amogus in this? Enhance, enhance. Amogus. Oh my god. Yeah, okay. Would you like to eat? Yummy. The amogus is quite delicious, he says. You're welcome, Cuca. Even though he doesn't speak the human tongue and speak English, but nevertheless, I could understand him. We're speaking telepathically, of course. Yeah, crazy, right? But of course, if a French is watching this, a Frenchman, will be quite proud because it's a rooster. I know you guys French people are very proud of your roosters. That the fact that you put a rooster as your national animal, it's quite insane. Gallic. Well, I know it's a specific breed or breed of chicken. But nevertheless, you guys French people put a chicken in or as a national animal. I mean, I'm not saying it's bad. I'm actually amazed. I love it. Because I'm really not that different from a Frenchman. I love chickens. Both as a food and both as a meal. Or both as a pet and both as a meal, rather. Anyway. Yeah, that's my talk for today, and that's pretty much about it. This chicken is quite is not eating that much because roosters. By the way, it's it we once would we once had a hen, but sadly it died. Apparently, the egg cracked or something. Do you guys know what that is? Or a condition in which a hen dies when the egg cracks inside of his body? Let me know down in the comments below. I know, right? It's crazy. Because I can't really search it right now, but I have you guys. If you guys even know that, well, you guys can search for me. Because I'm just having fun time, feeding this chicken named Cuca. What a delectable day. Quite fancy. Oh my god, he's saying it again. Yeah, man, he's still sad about his wife being dead. I hear you, fam. I also want to pay condolences to you. Alright, can you please eat now? I don't have all day. Alright then, if you don't want to eat chicken, Cuca, I'm just gonna leave it here. Man, look at my hands. It's gonna get quite messy. Oh man. My hands are white apparently. It's insane. But nevertheless, what do you call this? I'm just gonna mince this food so it will be peckable by the rooster. I think it's gonna eat it later, per se. So yeah, and also we're gonna change the water, cause why bother? Well, it's dirty, obviously. So yeah, goodbye, guys. See you next time.